Hello everyone. So today we'll learn how to make a payment link in ZOHO Books. So there are two methods actually to create payment link in ZOHO Books. We'll be using one first. So the method is that go to the sales section and then go to the payments link section. So there's a plus sign there. That's a shortcut. Click that and you directly reach a location where you can write down the customer's name. So I'm here writing a demo customer name and then I'm entering the amount. What is the expiration of payment link that can be entered here, and the narration. So whatever description you write here, that description will be visible inside the payment link of the person, so make sure that you write it properly. Once done, you can save it and you can click on save and share. You'll notice then the payment link is created and it's a ZOHO Secure Pay link. If you click on this link, actually based on your payment gateway, which can be Razorpay, ICICI Bank, Paytm, PayPal, any one of the online integrated payment gateways that you have, those will be open after this particular link. So once this link is opened, then this link can be shared with the customer, and the customer will be able to see ZOHO Secure Pay, and as soon as he enters his mobile number, then the payment gateway which is linked in the account, that will open. Point to note is, in case you're looking for how to go with the procedure of payment method, that is mentioned in the description section. Second method of creating a payment link is go to the customer, click on the name of the customer like the one we used before, and there you have on the right a new transaction. Click on new transaction and click on payment link. So you will reach directly to the same page again, but you will notice that the customer name is already filled up. So that's the second way. So whichever way is suitable to you, that method you can use. And at the same time, in case you're looking for Razorpay payment gateway or any related payment gateway, you can check out the referral links in the description section, which can be used for getting benefits out of it. So in case you're looking for any other video which may be useful to you, just let us know so we can help you on that. Thank you.